Happy New Year, CPIP!
Happy New Year, CPIP.
Happy New Year, CPIP.
Happy New Year, CPIP.
Happy New Year, CPIP! Okay.
Paglipat-lipat ang bahay, sir. Wala pang permanenteng tira.
Siguro yung natas yung pagiging breadwinner ko sa family namin. Parang nahirapan kami sa financial and kung paano ko sila matataguyod talaga.
Yung mother ko, nag-start na mag-fail yung kanya health, nag-deteriorate. Since 2021 pa yung issue, pero ngayon bumalik, tapos medyo lumala. And yun talaga, yung check-up namin siya, doon lumalabas yung mga problema. And it breaks me down, not only, financially, also emotionally as well.
Siguro one of my biggest challenge that I faced this year is yung maghanap ng work. Kasi as a fresh graduate, mahirap maghanap ng work. So, doon na-test yung patience ko and yung willingness ko after I graduate.
Siguro pray lang, tapos kailangan lang ilabas sa iba para lang mawala yung bigat ng nararamdaman. Ganun.
Now, obviously, you do your best to support yung mga loved ones mo. You do your best, you sacrifice, you work hard, you also support them. So, sa mother ko, I needed to support her. Kasi
mahiyain ako, so tinry ko na lang na mag-out of the box na kalabanin yung hiya ko. Kasi pagka tinuloy ko lang siya, walang mangyayari, ganun. So, sa awa naman, ngayon, okay naman na. So, feeling ko, nag-i-improve naman ako sa ito.
Sa New Year resolution ko, sana madagdagan pa yung ipon ko. Year resolution ko po ay mas ma-improve ko po yung skill ko po.
My New Year resolution is always think positive na. Iwanan na yung mga negative vibes this year.
New Year's resolution ko since from day 0 ng buhay ko is to keep a balance between humility and confidence.
For coming 2025, yung New Year's resolution ko siguro yung mas more on mag-enhance ako sa time management ko. Tapos, mas more focus sa work.
Mag-invest ng kagaya sa hayop ng negosyo. Magkaroon na ako ng sariling lupa at bahay.
My plan is improving my physical fitness.
To live my life, to work hard, and to strive in what I do, the best that I do.
Spend more time with family, with myself, tapos continue pa din naman yung pagiging hardworking, tapos ngayong for next year siguro learn a new skill.
Sana po ngayong 2025 ay hindi magbabago ang pamalakad dito sa CPIP at sana madadagdagan pa po. Maganda naman po yung palakad at sa CPIP. Sana ganoon pa rin.
May the coming year bring you more opportunities, growth, and memorable moments.
A message that I always give to pretty much everyone. It's a motto from Exurbia. Stay kind, walk good, be.
Looking forward to a successful 2025 with our amazing CPIP.